So I don't know if you can see behind us, right here. Now 3 weeks ago when we uploaded a video in India, you should have seen what happened. If you can see behind us, there's loads of Ferris wheels. This is going quite slow now, but a minute ago it was going really, really fast. So we're like, do we go on there or not?
So as you can see, we're still alive.
Only just.
Literally.
It was the craziest Ferris wheel we've ever been on, and we said we're never going on one again. However, this one looks like a normal one.
This is what we're used to, guys. For those who are used to crazy Ferris wheels.
That you almost fly out and fall on the ground and die.
Yeah.
This is like a normal one.
Yeah.
So we thought, let's go and do like a comparison to see if we survive this one. Are you nervous, babe?
No. Although I do think these spin, babe. That you can spin your own trolley round.
Babe, you're making me really scared now. Stop it.
Are you scared? In India it was 50 cents. And now it's €5.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately. I can barely.
I don't know what it is, but I'm being an absolute pussy. Like, I'm not a fan of Ferris wheels, god damn it.
Look at you sat there like a stroppy little kid. Stay seated and I'll turn you.
Like, turn us around, babe.
Alright, let me get you in position.
Oh god. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. We didn't say welcome.
Oh yeah, welcome to a new video. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve.
If you're new to this channel, babe.
That's Theodora. I was going to say, that's Graham. I'm Theodora. I'm Dutch. She's English. No, not really. She's Dutch. Let's start again. Hi, welcome to the vlog. We're professional YouTubers. Anyway, we are here in Masstricht and welcome. We are actually traveling the world, but we are actually home at Theodora's place right now for Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. I just said that. Tomorrow's Christmas Day, which is obvious because Christmas Eve does usually follow by Christmas Day.
Oh my god, babe, you're a train wreck. What's happening?
This is our first vlog in Holland and it's not going good.
No,
it's not going good.
Babe, you flustered, babe.
I know, I'm flustered. I'm going to let you take over.
What Graham was trying to say is, welcome to this video and Merry Christmas. I hope you had an amazing Christmas. We're going to celebrate it in Holland with my family. We're now in Masstricht and we're having a Christmassy day together and we're taking you with us.
Keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Tell you what, get me on an aeroplane and go skydiving, not a problem. Get me on a Ferris wheel, I feel like I'm gonna be sick and I want it to stop. It reminds me of that film Dumb and Dumber where he licks a pole.
Oh look, frost.
And it gets stuck. And he's there for like hours. Anyway, enough of this. Babe, take me for some Dutch food, please. So we've been walking around for the last half an hour. And this is where I'm going to let the vlog go over to Theodora. Because if you didn't know, she is Dutch.
I am.
Even though she's got an English accent.
True.
Show us all the Dutch things to try.
I'm going to take you around the must-tries of Dutch food when you come here. Didn't plan on this, but it's happening. And to be honest, I've missed my Dutch food. I've missed it. Okay, babe, where I'm going to take you first is for verse kibbeling. Basically, it's fried fish. It's actually right up your street, babe, fish and chips. Every probably Wednesday or Thursday, like a weekday and a Saturday, you'll have a market and you'll, without a doubt, find one of these. Kleine kibbeling alsjeblieft. Mag ik saus erbij?
Oh, zit er al bij hoor.
Oh, zit erin. Lekker.
Dat smaakt hè?
Okay, we've got fresh kibbeling. I'm not gonna lie to you, now we're back in Europe, I find it really hard to vlog in front of other people because everyone stares. If you saw behind us, there's like at least 50 people staring. So here we basically got the kibble in. So basically it's cod in batter, and then we've got, what sauce is this?
Ragotte.
I have no idea what that is.
Yeah, it's a must. And then I added some fish kruiden. Fish herbs. You like the sauce?
Nice. What?
I feel like Graham should do the test. Like I'll tell him what to eat, and then
Yeah,
you
because
can
she already knows it.
just get your fingers in there, babe.
All right. Oh god.
Is it?
Oh,
There's
it's so
no
good.
messing about with the batter, is there? Pure
Yeah,
fish.
it's like thin batter. It's almost not batter. It's not tempura like the thin batter, but this is like,
Just small
Yeah.
coating. You liking it?
yeah, it's really good.
Lush, innit?
I don't remember it being this good.
Oh,
There you got the cod. That is bang on.
so good.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
Not gonna lie, that was a good start to the food vlog. Let's get some more.
So I have something else in store. It's called oliebollen, but there's a twist.
Oliebollen.
Oliebollen. You can only get them this time of year because really it's for New Year's. So the time leading up to Christmas and New Year's, after Sinterklaas, that's when you got yourself an oliebol. So let's
Right.
go and try one, babe.
I'm actually loving this vlog right now because it's all about food. Can't get better than that.
So the oliebollen come in many forms and shapes, but what I would recommend you get is just a plain oliebol and a krentenbol, which has got raisins inside. Very good. So I'm gonna get one oliebol and one krentenbol, and then let Graham decide which one is the best.
But I am seeing like custard, I'm seeing jam, I'm seeing apple.
They're not traditional, you guys. So
They're not
babe,
traditional.
no custard, no jam. Like we need to get plain. You'll see, babe. Mag een oliebol en een krentenbol, alsjeblieft. Alsjeblieft. Ja. First, we have the oliebol, which is slightly warm, and then the krentenbol, as you can see here, you got raisins inside.
What's on top?
On top is poedersuiker, which is a dusting sugar, like what do you call it? Icing sugar. It might actually be icing sugar. Do you think?
Babe, you need to bring it back because I've decided I'm 51% against oliebollen.
What?
I know. They're
So-
actually quite an inexpensive treat.
Yeah, they're only €1 each. So I'll bring you something else.
Oh, babe. She's too good to me.
So what you've seen here on my right are just people sitting on the terrasses, and this is something that we do as the Dutch. We just sit on the terrace, have a drink, watch some people go by. It's just amazing. In the summer you'll see all the market squares full of terraces. Lovely. What I'm going to take Graham to is a patatzaak that has sour vlees. So that's really local to here. Obviously we're vegetarians, so we can't have that, but I still want to point it out because if you're here, it's a must. The city centre is so cute. There's loads of shops. Like if you love shopping, you need to come here. But also the streets are so cute. There's lots happening. We've got a Bijenkorf, which obviously it's like the Dutch Harrods, kind of. John Lewis / Harrods, I would call it. But yeah, you can see around. Also, you've got water there, bridges, cute little streets with little boutiques everywhere. Get yourself over here.
I want to film loads more stuff, but this vlog will end up being too long. Hopefully you're getting a bit of an idea what Maastricht is like and how beautiful it is.
So it's been 10 years since we've been here, and I had to take a couple of wrong turns, but I know where I am now and I recognise it. It is here on the right.
Is it here?
Yeah, it is here.
Where is it? I thought it was here. Here, there.
Actually, no, it is there.
Don't make excuses, babe. If you don't know where it is, just
No,
tell us.
I will take you here.
Tell
babe.
them that you just don't know where the hell you're going.
No, I do. Shit!
Where are you going?
Babe, stop.
Babe, come on, where is it now? She has no idea. Dor, follow me. I got an idea. I think it's over here. It's definitely on this. I think it's over here.
Oh god, now he's gonna be like, I found. Okay, where is the fries?
Babe, seriously, where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it might be over this side.
There, the snack point. Okay, so it was all the time behind us, but it's shut. Shut for Christmas. Shut
All
for
this
Christmas. Yeah, I can take you to something else that's really Dutch. Any Dutchies watching me, like, sorry, but we gotta go to Fabo, babe. $5 up, and we're at Fabo. Come with. Hey, Dutch met. Okay.
Bird literally almost just shat on me. And there's bloody seagulls everywhere.
They're surrounded.
Oh God.
If there's one thing that the Dutch can do, it is protect your net.
I swear these pigeons have got balls of steel.
I know.
Anyway, I'm taking over the vlog.
You can't be.
Basically, when you come to Holland, you are going to try the best fries going. I used to hate this stuff. This stuff is called mayonnaise. Now I can do this.
No.
I swear, it's such good mayonnaise.
Did you literally just do that?
Yeah.
How you do it is you take one, you dip, boom.
Oh.
No.
You're probably thinking, why are these guys getting excited about fries? I'm telling you now, Holland has the best fries. I'm actually thinking of doing a food vlog just on a different kind of fries all around Holland.
Yeah. Oh God.
But they're so crispy.
Oh.
They're not overly thick. They're a little bit of salt, good scoop of mayo.
Oh, let's be honest.
Ah.
Oh, what time is it? Oh my God, it's 4 o'clock. You know what that means? Dessert time.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young.
So it's time for dessert. Couldn't get more Dutch. It is poffertjes, which we actually eat as a meal instead of dessert. It's crazy. Let me show you. Oh, it's gonna be good.
Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here. My winter wonderland.
So they're called poffertjes.
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 You say it really well, babe.
Ah, thanks. All right.
So you saw them how they made them.
And again, icing sugar on top. Pudersuiker.
Poedersuiker.
Very, very healthy, guys.
Butter. Pure melted butter. Really?
Is it basically a small pancake?
Yeah.
Is it basically a pancake?
Technically. Really? See, I was so scared. I didn't think you would like it. Do you like it? Are you a fan? Really?
Actually, we've been together 13 years, and she's never taken me to a pannenkoeken house, which is basically a pancake house.
Yeah, I know.
It's the most Dutch thing to do, but she's never taken me. It's actually really awesome.
Half half?
Half half.
Look at your half and my half.
Yeah, but a man's supposed to have always have the biggest half.
I know, tomorrow. I'm alright. Now we've got the vloggers with us.
Let us know in the comments if you want us to do a pannenkoeken house
Food vlog. Do you want to come to Pannenkoek House?
Oh my God, it's Christmas Eve and Santa is preparing to go. I've got to go and say hello.
Goedemiddag. Yes, what is your name?
Graham.
Where you come from?
England.
Are you on holidays?
On holidays. We're making a video for YouTube.
Hi.
And it's Christmas Eve and we were just telling our followers that obviously you got a busy night tonight.
Very busy night, but ook for a little surprise for everybody.
Exactly. So guys, we wanted to sign off the vlog and I think this is the best time to do it with Santa. Maybe I can fly with you tonight and deliver some presents, maybe not.
Yeah, you can help me.
I can help you?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Guys, I hope you liked the vlog. May see you tonight because I'll be dropping off presents. Anything else to say?
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas! Thanks for picking me up, Santa. I can't wait to help you tonight. So where are we going first? Maybe to Holland? Cool. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Merry Christmas! I'm taking over the vlog.
You can't be.
Basically when you come...
Did you actually like that then?
Yeah, like last time I didn't like it, but this time is actually epic.
I didn't think you were
Why
going to
don't we
like
get a
it.
small one? Yes. If you're new to this video, which most of you are, 'cause it's the first time seeing it, but we are YouTubers. We are obviously we're on fucking hell.